prepares you for the moment when you hold life in your own hands. This little thing that is all yours. Those curious eyes, the adorable little hands, the restless little feet. I didn't realize that I was missing something until you came into my life and changed it forever. No one teaches you how to be a mother. And I tried to do my best. I know it wasn't easy growing up without a father. And I'm sorry I pulled you away from him when I walked out of home. Was I being selfish? I don't know. But I couldn't be in a place where I was not happy, where I was not respected. I had to do what I thought was best for both of us. And well, I tried in my own way to double up as a father. You know, Ria, the evenings you spent alone because I had to work late, the arguments we had, the times I lost my cool, just because I felt you couldn't understand. If I got another chance, maybe I would do it differently. But we don't get second chances in life, do we? I still remember you falling in love and the heartbreak, and how you thought that boy was the only boy you would ever love. You are so precious, Ria. And there is so much I want to say to you. Things that I couldn't say. Or maybe I don't know how to. And I'm just trying to find a way to say all of that to you. Now that you're ready to go to college, to the world outside, a world that's wonderful, exciting, and full of promises. Make your choices and stand by them. Don't be scared of making mistakes. The world might tell you differently just because you are a woman. But never let those voices pull you down, because the world is all yours. So Ria, it's time for you to fly away. Time for you to find yourself. And you know, if I got a second chance, I might change a lot of things in my life. But there is one thing I won't, and that is you. With love, Ma.